How's it going, YouTube? This is Andy again. This is just going to be a quick little update on the channel. I had my busiest week on YouTube as far as people subscribing to me and commenting on posts and sending me messages, and I want to say thank you. But I was also out of town. I spent the last week and a half in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and I also went to San Fran. While I didn't actually attend Google I/O, I had booked the trip anyway, just in case I did get tickets. So instead, I enjoyed San Francisco. I really didn't attend any Google I/O. The only thing I did was watch the keynote. Um, so I do have a lot of catching up to do as far as watching the Google I/O presentations and everything. But I will definitely be adding a lot of things on this channel. Now, a few things that I did get a hold of on the Google I/O keynote as far as Android programming is we have Android Studio. Now, I did log into this computer and install it remotely while I was out of town, but I haven't really had a chance to play with it. I haven't really been able to get it working too well where it compiles an app on my Windows machine, which is what I brought with me to San Fran. So I will be playing around with this. I may be doing some future apps in it if I can figure out how to get it, working. If not, I still have Eclipse, which I'll still be developing on, primarily on until I figure this out. There's a 53-minute presentation that I still have to watch. It's on my watch later on YouTube. So I will be digging into that, and hopefully they'll cover a little bit more. Now, if you are running Windows, one thing, I did get it to launch, but you have to add a variable into your My Computer Advanced System Properties, and then there's a little button on the bottom that you can add a variable, and you can name it like Android Studio Home or Java Home or whatever, but it's got to point to your JDK, and IntelliJ will not launch if you don't do that on Windows. So if you're having problems with it launching, do that first. I'll fire up my Windows computer and see if I can do some kind of screencast like this. If not, you may just see a crappy video of me recording the screen of showing you how to do that. Let me know if you want to see that. I'll try to figure out a free screencast program for Windows so I can show you how to do that. What else? Oh, so another neat thing, I got a lot of comments on my sliding menu tutorial, which that's not my project at all, but I do want to thank you for watching it and asking me questions on how to implement the actual list on item list clicks. I'll be doing that, but also I will also be doing that same project with the new drawer layout. Now, Google announced that they open sourced their drawer layout that you see on the YouTube app, the Books app, the new music app, where it slides out from the left. I'll show you how to implement that because I think that's pretty neat, and I'm probably going to throw it out in my project because it seems a little bit sleeker. What I would lose is in my app I actually have two menus, so you slide to right or slide to left, but I'll probably implement something like in the Google Plus app where you click a button on the top and it slides it out, or I'll just launch a new activity. But it does look sleek and it is pretty easy to implement. One thing is you can't slide from anywhere, which is one thing that SlidingMenu allows you to do, is say make the entire viewable screen responsive to the slide. Instead, they're using, I think, like a 6-pixel width area where you can slide out with your finger, or you can tap on the icon and it'll slide it out for you. So it looks pretty easy to implement, only a few lines of code, and the concept is pretty easy. So I'll be doing a video on that, as well as SlidingMenu on how to make an actual functioning app where you're switching fragments, because I believe that'll probably be very useful to you. So here's the Google Docs on the drawer layout, which is what I was just talking about. You go to developer.android.com and it's in your references. You can just use this little search feature up here and type in drawer layout and you'll receive this page and it'll tell you everything you need to know. But I'll be doing a video on that this week as well as the sliding menu. I do have a lot of catching up to do. Sorry if I haven't responded to your responses. I was enjoying a vacation. As you can see, I'm probably tanner. But thanks for watching. All right.